because like you gotta shower to smell good. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lota if you are new, and in this video I'm showing you guys how I smell good. A lot of people are always telling me that I do smell good, so I'm just trying to share that with you guys. So let's get right into the video. So obviously step number one is going to be showering, because like you gotta shower to smell good. I think that's a given. But like I use sprays and perfumes. So obviously like after you shower, like okay, I shower in the morning. So what I do is like right after I put on my lotion, I spray my perfume. And that kind of like helps, cause like the lotion is still like sinking into your skin, or like seeping into your skin or whatever. So I feel like it kind of helps to absorb the body mist or perfume. Also, ooh, every video. And the reason I keep saying perfumes and body mist is because they're two different things. Perfume lasts longer. Like it has a stronger scent. So it's meant to kind of like you spray it once and you'll be good for like the whole day. Body mist, however, kind of goes away after like an hour or two. So you have to like constantly be spraying it. I'm not going to go into detail on like every product I have. I have this, I have this bin of body mists and perfumes. So these are my body mists. And you guys might think, wow, is that how you smell good? You need like 5,000? You don't need 5,000. Literally, I just have these because they all smell different. The reason I have so many is because I like to change up my scent every day. So I'll take a new one, not new one, to school every day. So like, let's say Monday I take this one. Tuesday I'll take another one. Wednesday another one. Cause I mean, there's like, you don't have to. I just like to do it because I like to change up my scent. I just feel like, I don't know. I think it's just a me thing. I'm just telling you guys what I do. But like, I don't like to repeat them. So like, if I use this one on Monday, I don't want to use it next Monday. And it sounds so stupid because it's like nobody cares, and nobody does care, but I care. So that's why I do it. And yeah. So these are a few of the lotions I have. This one has like shimmer, so when you use it, it'll make your hands or your skin sparkly. I don't know if you guys can see that. I really hope you can, or else I'm just looking stupid. Basically with the lotions, obviously you're gonna want to choose a scent that you think smells good. Like don't just pick up a lotion to have a scented lotion. And then with these, honestly, I don't put them on to smell good. I put them on because of the lotion part. Like if I'm ever ashy, like if I wash my hands at school or like something and I notice that I'm ashy, I'll just put lotion on just because I'm ashy. So I really hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to turn on the push notifications so you can be notified every time I post a video.